It's very horrible taking this. Yes, Corona test kit, day 2 and day 8. Put it inside this bottle. Hi fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Maputo Malu. In this video I'll be unboxing the Corona test kit that you have to do manually and deposit to the local nearest post office. I'll unbox this. So it comes in a purplish color, and I have already unboxed Leah's kit and I have seen what all is there. But for you guys, over here your address will be there, and to which places it goes, its return address, it's also written over here. Okay, and I'll just unbox this. It's a plastic cover. So there's two test kit, that is day 2 and day 8. Okay, so it's separate, it's given separately over here. There's two test kits. This is, you can use any of this, but you should not mix this number. There will be a sequence number which is given over here. Don't mix this, and over here also the sequence number is given. So don't mix that. And I'll unbox the one from this and I'll show you what all is there. I'll keep the day 8 because today is only day 2, and I'll just keep it aside. So fam, I'm going to unbox. It's wrapped good. Okay, there's no complaints. Everything is good. I'll just unbox it slowly. I don't want to take risk. Yeah. So anyone who is coming to UK at this time, even from the amber list countries, it's mandatory to have this. And before you leave your country, you have to book this. It costed for 2 people. For me and Leah, it costed around $272. Earlier it was like close to pounds. Earlier it was close to 200 pounds. Now it's like 272 pounds. And we had to pay it through one of our cards. You can use any debit card or credit card, but you have to pay this. And when we are boarding from Dubai, they ask for this kit. So be careful. Okay, this is one more plastic cover. I'll just keep it aside. And this is the one. Okay, it contains 5 or 4 things. Okay, the first thing, when I open, there is a test swab over here and a bottle, okay, with liquids inside this. The first thing, I'll keep it second. This is a security seal. Okay, it's a security seal. To open box, break the seal and lift the flap. And it's both material is given. I'll just read what's the use of this. And there's a plastic bag where you have to deposit this bag. Okay. And the most important thing is this manual, because this manual is very important for you to understand where is the local pin, like post office, where you have to drop the swab. So it's very important, and the sequence number is also mentioned in this for your reference. So fam, according to the leaflet, there should be a swab inside. So I have a swab over here, and I have a leak-proof bag. I showed you the leak-proof bag over here. This is the leak-proof bag. This is the leak-proof bag, and after that there's a plastic tube. This is the plastic tube, and security seal for the return box. And I think I showed you this security seal for the return box, and white absorbent pad. This is the white absorbent pad. Okay, and return box with prepaid Royal Meal return table. So this is the return box, I guess, or yeah. So what you have to do is, like, after taking the swab, you have to go to Royal. I'll just put the link in the description. You will have to go to royalmail.com services near you, and over there you can put your PIN code, and you can see the nearest point, and you can go there and submit this. You can drop this over there, and rest of the thing they'll take care, and that's all. So fam, there's one more important thing. You have to register this. If you're doing for 2 persons, you'll have to register individually. Okay, the link to the site will be coronavirusservices.gov.uk. I'll put the link in the description, and you have to register separately. In the registration, you'll have to put the 11 character test kit barcode, and also you'll have to put the 13 character Royal Mailbox address also in the kit. So fam, now I'll show you how to take the corona test kit, and Leah will perform on me. And initially, like you'll have to take the swab. You have to put in your mouth on both the tonsils, and you have to rotate 4 times. And after that, you'll have to take the swab and put it in your nose and rotate for 10 times inside the nose. Approx 2.5 inches is what they say. So Leah will do on me, and then you have to take it and put it inside this bottle and break the excess swab and seal it properly. So that's the process. Now Leah will do on me, and she'll show you. So I'm having this pad.
So this is the swab and this is the tube. Say tongue only में क्या कर ले? Take it out. Say
She's very horrible at taking this.
there's a mark over here.
There's a mark over here. Just taking from there, dipping in. Perfect. Okay. So fam, right now I'm doing for Leah. Leah, come forward.
Slowly.
So this is the swab. First into the mouth. Okay. So I have done 4 rounds. And onto the left round. Perfect. I've taken this. Now into the nose. Perfect. Nose. Now I'm just opening this. Just hold this. Oh, the container is very tight. Keeping here, there's a mark over here, black color. Just reaching out to that. Breaking from there. Closing it tight. Perfect. So now I'll just squeeze into the packet.
Okay, make sure that the barcode in this plastic tube and this bag should match this number, this barcode in this bowl, it should match. The next thing is you have this plastic bag. You put this absorbent pad into this bag, and along with this you have to place this. Make sure it's tight. Okay. You have seal over here. You have to remove this. Just remove it.
Take off some hair.
Take off some hair and stick it.
This done?
Yeah. Okay, so just fold it and place this over here. Okay, so we have a clear instruction over here how to do. The first thing is, just see, you have the numbers you written. Okay, the first thing is you have to fold here first, and the second thing is you have to fold here. Third is this. Third. And the fourth is you have to take this and put this over here inside. Okay, it's done. And you have the seal. You have all the instruction in this manual. While doing it, just read this manual. So this one, security seal, take out this. And finally it's done.
So fam, now both our test kits are ready. Okay, we have put the seal over here. As you see, like the seal is over here, and over here also we have put the seal. Now we are going to the nearest post office to drop this. So this is how it looks. This one, and this one, like this. So fam, we are walking with the samples. Show them the samples. As we are walking to the with the samples to the nearest post office drop box. So fam, finally we have reached our place. You can see the post box collection box over here. This is the one. So Leah will be dropping. That's a BMW electric vehicle, I guess. So Leah, this is the one, right? Let me show them. Everything is written. The last collection time, Monday to Friday. This is the time, everything. Okay, this is how the collection looks. Yeah, drop in. So fam, that was regarding the corona test kit, and we showed you all the details. If something else needs to be covered or something else needs to be done, please tell us. Okay, write down your comments. And if you like this video and if you want more updates, such updates from UK, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Maputo Mallu signing off.
We got our results next day evening via email, and both of our results were negative.